Did you know a falcon can fly faster than a sports car? It is true, the peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth. When it dives, it can go over 200 miles per hour. That is very, very fast. Imagine seeing something move that quickly through the air. It is like a feathered rocket. This speed helps them catch their food. They are truly kings and queens of the sky. Their speed is not just for show, it is for survival, a tool honed by ages of chasing the wind. It is a breathtaking display of nature's power and precision, a living arrow aimed at its target. Falcons are special birds of prey. This means they hunt other animals for food. They have sharp eyes. They have strong claws called talons. They also have hooked beaks for eating. These birds are built to be hunters. They are strong and powerful flyers. You can see them soaring high above, or you might see them perching on a tall tree or a cliff. They always look alert, watching everything around them with an intensity that misses nothing. Their presence commands respect, a silent testament to their predatory prowess. These birds have fascinated people for a long time. Kings and queens used to have falcons for hunting. This sport is called falconry. It shows how much people admire these birds. Even today, we look up and wonder at their flight. They remind us of wildness and freedom. They are a symbol of power and grace in the natural world. Their sharp cries can echo across wide valleys, a sound that speaks of untamed places and the raw beauty of the wild. We see them as more than just birds. They are living legends. Falcons are found all over the world. They live in many different places. Some like mountains, some like open fields, some even live in cities now. They are good at adapting. This means they can change to live in new places. This ability to thrive in diverse environments is a key to their long-lasting presence on our planet. From the icy tundra to the warm deserts, their silhouette against the sky is a familiar, awe-inspiring sight, a constant reminder of nature's adaptability. A falcon's body is made for flying fast and hunting well. They have long, pointed wings. These wings help them cut through the air. They can change direction very quickly. Think of a paper airplane with sharp wings. It flies straight and fast. Falcons' wings are like that, but much stronger and more agile. These wings are engines of speed and grace, allowing them to perform amazing tricks in the air. They are not just for travel, they are for the deadly dance of the hunt. Their eyes are another amazing part. Falcons have very, very good eyesight. They can see small animals from far away. It is like having super binoculars built into their heads. They can spot a tiny mouse in a big field from high up in the sky. This sharp vision is crucial for finding their next meal. It allows them to scan vast areas efficiently. Their eyes are large, often dark, and intensely focused, missing no detail in the landscape below them. This visual acuity is legendary. Falcons also have strong feet and sharp talons. Talons are like very sharp claws. When a falcon catches its prey, it uses these talons. They grab the animal tightly. The talons are so strong they can often kill the prey instantly. These are not just feet for perching, they are powerful weapons. The grip of a falcon's talons is incredibly forceful, ensuring that once prey is caught, there is little chance of escape. The design is perfect for their hunting lifestyle. Their beaks are also special. A falcon's beak is short but very strong. It has a sharp hooked tip. There is also a special notch on the upper part of the beak. This notch is called a tomial tooth. It helps the falcon to quickly break the neck of its prey. This makes for a swift end. It is a very efficient tool for eating. This specialized beak structure is another adaptation that makes them such successful predators, perfectly designed for tearing into their meals. There are many types of falcons around the world. Scientists say there are about 40 different species. Some are big, like the gerfalcon, which lives in cold Arctic places. It is the largest falcon. Others are small, like the tiny pygmy falcon from Africa. Each type is special and adapted to its own home and way of life. This diversity is amazing, showing how falcons have evolved to fit into many different parts of the world. From the smallest to the largest, each plays a role. An interesting fact is that female falcons are often larger and stronger than male falcons. This is common in many birds of prey. The bigger female can protect the nest better. She can also hunt larger prey. The male is often faster and more agile. He might bring food to the female while she sits on the eggs. This size difference is called reverse sexual dimorphism. It helps the falcon family survive and raise their young successfully, a division of labor that benefits the species. Falcons have a unique way of flying. They beat their wings quickly and shallowly, then they glide for a bit. This is different from hawks, which often soar in wide circles with less flapping. You can often tell a falcon by its pointed wings and fast direct flight. Watching them move through the sky is like watching a skilled dancer. Their flight is purposeful and efficient, designed for speed and agility. This distinct flight pattern helps birdwatchers identify them even from a distance. Another cool thing is that some falcons migrate very long distances. This means they travel from one part of the world to another when the seasons change. For example, the Amur falcon travels thousands of miles from Russia and China to southern Africa. They fly over oceans and deserts. It is an incredible journey for such a bird. These migrations are feats of endurance and navigation, guided by instincts honed over generations. They follow ancient routes, connecting different ecosystems across the globe. Where falcons call home. Falcons can be found on every continent except Antarctica. This shows how adaptable they are. They live in a wide variety of habitats. You can find them in open grasslands and savannas. They also live in deserts and along seacoasts. Some falcons prefer mountainous regions with high cliffs. Others have even learned to live in big cities, using tall buildings like cliffs. Their ability to make a home in so many different places is truly remarkable, a testament to their resilience. Many falcons like open areas for hunting. This is because they need space to fly fast and see their prey from far away. Forests with too many trees can make it hard for them to hunt. So they often choose places like plains, moors, or agricultural fields. These open landscapes give them a clear view. They can spot movement easily and launch their swift attacks. The vastness of these habitats matches their own wide-ranging nature, giving them room to roam and reign. For nesting, falcons do not usually build their own nests like many other birds. Instead, they find existing spots. They might use an old nest made by another bird, like a crow or an eagle. Or they might find a hole in a tree. Many falcons prefer to nest on high cliff ledges. These ledges offer protection from predators on the ground. City falcons use ledges on tall buildings or bridges. This opportunistic nesting strategy saves them energy and provides safe havens for their young. The type of habitat often depends on the specific falcon species. For example, the gerfalcon lives in the cold, treeless tundra of the Arctic. It nests on cliffs in these icy lands. The prairie falcon, as its name suggests, lives in the dry, open country of western North America. It needs cliffs or rock formations for nesting near these grasslands. Each species has evolved to thrive in its particular environment, finding the resources it needs to survive and raise its young successfully. What falcons eat. Falcons are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Their diet mostly consists of other animals. What they eat depends on the type of falcon and where it lives. Many falcons, especially the larger ones like peregrines, mostly eat other birds. They are very skilled at catching birds in midair. They might hunt pigeons, doves, ducks, or smaller songbirds. Their speed and agility make them deadly hunters of airborne prey. This aerial pursuit is their specialty, a deadly dance in the sky. Smaller falcons like kestrels and merlins have a more varied diet. Kestrels often eat small mammals like mice, voles, and shrews. They also eat large insects like grasshoppers and beetles. Sometimes they will catch small birds or reptiles like lizards. Merlins are fast enough to catch small birds, but they also eat dragonflies and other flying insects. This flexibility in their diet helps them survive when one type of food is scarce. They are opportunistic feeders, taking what is available. When a falcon catches its food, it usually takes it to a safe place to eat. This might be a high perch or a hidden spot on a cliff. They use their sharp, hooked beak to tear off small pieces of meat. They are very efficient eaters and do not waste much. If they have young chicks in the nest, the parent falcons will bring food back for them. The parents will tear off tiny pieces for the babies until they are old enough to feed themselves. This careful feeding ensures the chicks get the nutrition they need. The way falcons hunt and eat shows how perfectly they are adapted to their role as predators. Their sharp eyesight helps them find prey. Their speed and talons help them catch it. Their strong beak helps them eat it. Every part of the falcon is designed for this purpose. They are nature's skilled hunters, playing an important part in the food web. Their success as predators is a result of millions of years of evolution, shaping them into these incredible flying machines. A long look back. Falcons and humans have a long and interesting history together. For thousands of years, people have admired these magnificent birds. Ancient Egyptians worshipped a god with a falcon's head named Horus. This shows the deep respect they had for these powerful flyers. Falcons were symbols of power, royalty, and the sky. Their images appear in ancient art and stories from many different cultures around the world, a testament to their enduring impact on human imagination. One of the oldest connections between humans and falcons is the sport of falconry. This is the art of training falcons to hunt alongside humans. Falconry began in Asia thousands of years ago and later spread to Europe and other parts of the world. It was a popular sport among nobles and royalty. It required great skill and patience to train a falcon. This tradition continues today, with falconers working to preserve these ancient techniques and the birds themselves. It forges a unique bond between human and bird. However, the relationship has not always been positive. In the past, some falcons were seen as pests by people who raised chickens or game birds. Also, in the mid-20th century, many falcon populations suffered greatly due to the use of harmful pesticides like DDT. These chemicals caused falcon eggshells to become too thin, so they would break when the parents tried to incubate them. This led to a sharp decline in numbers for species like the peregrine falcon. It was a dark time for these incredible birds. Fortunately, people realized the danger and took action. The use of harmful pesticides like DDT was banned in many countries. Conservation efforts were started to help falcon populations recover. This included captive breeding programs where falcons were raised in safe places and then released back into the wild. Thanks to these efforts, many falcon species, including the peregrine falcon, have made a remarkable comeback. It shows that when people work together, we can help protect these amazing creatures for the future. Wild and free. Falcons are more than just birds. They are symbols of wildness, speed, and incredible natural skill. When we see a falcon soaring high above, or diving with breathtaking speed, it reminds us of the power and beauty of the natural world. They represent a freedom that many of us can only dream of, a mastery of the skies that is truly awe-inspiring. Their very presence enriches our planet, adding a touch of wild majesty to the landscapes they inhabit. They are a living connection to an untamed world. The story of the falcon, especially species like the peregrine, is also a story of hope. They faced great danger from human actions like pollution and habitat loss, but they also benefited from human help and concern. Their recovery shows that we can make a positive difference if we choose to. It teaches us the importance of caring for our environment and all the creatures that share it with us. Their comeback is a testament to nature's resilience and human capacity for stewardship when we are motivated. Looking up at a falcon, we see a perfectly designed hunter. Every part of its body is built for its life in the sky. They are masters of flight, capable of incredible feats of speed and agility. They play a vital role in keeping nature balanced. Their lives are a constant display of strength and precision. They are a reminder of the intricate connections within ecosystems, where every creature has a part to play in the grand design of life. So the next time you are outdoors, keep an eye on the sky. You might be lucky enough to spot one of these fierce and wonderful hunters. The falcon reminds us to look up, to appreciate the wild beauty around us, and to remember our responsibility to protect it. Their spirit is one of resilience and untamed grace, a spirit that deserves to fly free for generations to come. They are a treasure of our natural heritage, a feathered jewel in the crown of creation, inspiring wonder in all who witness their flight.